Alright, so we are at the DoubleTree Hilton in Orange County, I think it is. Anyway, this is our room. Walk in the door. We have a bathroom. Sink, big mirror, hello. Toilet. Ooh, that's a deep bathtub. Shower. Come over this way. We have a cupboard, laundry, ironing board, our 2 double beds. We have a microwave. We have a fridge full of all our stuff. We have a coffee maker. We got cookies on arrival. A nice big TV. Ooh, look at this big desk we got. Another mirror. Little lounge chair. And what view do we have? Oh, look, we're in Orange County. Wow, look at that.
The view.
Now, that over there is the baseball stadium. Our driver was telling us about it on the way here. Look at that view. I got a medical center over there in case I get sick. Just across the road. Oh, look down there. There's like a little pond area.
Oh my.
That's cool.
I guess that's the swimming part.
No, I'm not swimming in that. Look how green it is over there. I don't think so. And there's
a swimming pool.
We'll see. And there's a outlet mall behind us somewhere, so we'll have to go find that. But yeah, this is our room for a few nights.
2 nights.
A few nights. I'm not sure how many nights we're here. I have to double check. But do you like it, Billy?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.